Welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing economics paper of TMA of NIOS. In this paper, you can see this is the Urdu medium paper. In this paper, there are total number of questions are 6. If you want answer, for this, kindly say this number 900-936-8238. On this number, you can send your subject list, your class, your medium. After successful payment, you will receive an PDFs. Or after that, now we discuss the paper of economics. In this paper, you can see there are total number of questions are 6. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And sixth one is the largest one, which is a project-based question. If you are looking for these answers, kindly contact us on our WhatsApp number and we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.